Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a very popular color. Features also include daytime running lights, steering wheel controls, hill assist system, USB audio interface. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, power steering, cruise control, power windows, power brakes, trip odometer, child safety locks, power door locks, electronic brake force distribution, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
We've been serving North Texas since 1978. We've built our business for nearly 40 years on treating our customers right. Are here for you for the life of your vehicle. The next time you're looking for a new or pre-owned vehicle, come visit our family at James Wood Decatur.